In today's video, I'll show you on how you can cancel Atomic Card. Basically, to cancel your Atomic Card, you need to contact their customer support directly through the application or their support channels like support@atome.ph or hotlines 6382-236-1011 for Philippines and request the cancellation manually. So, before you go ahead and request your cancellations, there's steps to complete. Number one, you must clear your balances and subscriptions. You want to ensure that all your installments plans are fully paid. For recurring merchant charges like subscription, you want to contact the merchant directly to stop them. After making sure that you don't have any bills on your Atomic Card, you want to navigate through the application itself right here. Click on the Me button below your screen, and then you want to simply look for the Contact Us button. From here, you will be able to submit your request. You can just request, or you want to clearly state that you wish to cancel the Atomic Card or you want to close your account. From there, you want to follow the Atomic support instruction. They will guide you through the necessary steps, which may involve verifying your identity, ensuring all your payments are settled. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.